To create an email ILS in Hostinger, start by logging into your Hostinger account on the Hostinger website. Once you are in the dashboard, locate the Email or Email Accounts option and select the domain where you want to create the email ILS. In the Email Management section, find the Alias tab or a similar option, which is where you can manage and create email ILS. Click on the Add ILS or Create ILS option. Then enter the ILS name you want to use. For example, info@yourdomain.com. Select an existing email account to which you want to forward emails, and save the email ILS setup. Hostinger will then automatically forward any email sent to the ILS email address to the main email account you specified. This process allows you to easily create email ILS in Hostinger.